Contacting Metrobank hotlines with a cell phone is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, for 24 hours customer service, a 24/7 customer hotline is available. So, in case this line is busy, use an alternative contact number. Also, a 24/7 domestic toll-free number is provided as well. In case you want to call during banking hours, make a call on these numbers. Moreover, other channels to contact are email address and telephone number. So, once you reach a representative, explain your inquiry or issue and ask for assistance. Be sure to have any relevant account information or documents on hand to facilitate the conversation. During the call, it's a good practice to take notes, including the name of the representative you're speaking with and a summary of the conversation for your records. If your issue or inquiry requires further action, make sure to follow up as advised by the customer service representative. These are the contact numbers on which you can contact Metrobank Hotline with Cellphone.